ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. Today I have with me Jim Fowler, and I have my son Jerry Perkins with me. Jerry?
Hello.
Glad you make it, sir. Good to see you.
Jerry's going to be my young protege. He's starting to travel all over the world with us, and he's taking an interest to all the animals from Cape Buffalo to loggerhead turtles. And today we're going to be here at an undisclosed location in northern Florida. And what we're looking at today, in 1992, mid-August, Hurricane Andrew came through Florida, and it came across South Florida and did devastation beyond belief.
I think it was a 5, wasn't it?
Yes, it was a Category 5 hurricane.
Huge.
With sustained winds of 165 miles an hour. And it just did total devastation, $27 million or $27 billion worth of damage. And I'm going to let Jim take over now and tell you what else it's done that most people don't know about.
Well, what's happened is the Burmese pythons are thriving in the Everglades. There's tens of thousands suspected to be living there now, and it's been past 2 decades. And they're virtually destroying all the life in the Everglades, fish, birds, mammals. But another growing concern is that the African rock python is also established some breeding grounds, and they're not near as widespread. But the big concern amongst herpetologists is that the African rock python may breed the Burmese python. It can create what some people call a super snake. And if that occurs, if that new breed of snake begins to spread, we're in big trouble then. So we have it from a good source that a large snake was seen entering this cave behind it. And it resembled kind of a hybrid snake. So our plan today is to go in and, Jim, I'm a little nervous about this. That's pretty scary, but we're going to try to tough it out. And
As am I. Jerry, are you ready for this adventure?
Yes, sir.
we're going to see what we can discover. All right, well, leave my snake there. My headlight on. All right. Marlon, I'm going in now. Don't stay close to me because this thing could be huge.
Jim, be careful.
Okay.
Jerry will also follow.
All right. Let me see now. Oh my gosh. This cave goes forever, Marlon.
Jim, be careful. Jerry, you be careful too, because we don't know what's in here.
There could be snakes snakes in here. There could be anything could be. There could be a bear in here.
I think a bear's too big.
Okay, Marlon, it looks like this tunnel goes around.
Jim, do you see anything?
Nothing yet. But there's a long tunnel here that just goes deep into this limestone bluff formation.
Ladies and gentlemen, like Jim said earlier, we've had a good source that's been scouting this area, and they saw this snake. Whether you want to call it a super snake or a hybrid snake.
Marlon!
Yes, Jim.
I got one spotted.
Jim.
Don't move.
Jim, be
It's
careful.
Huge. It's huge.
Jerry,
Oh my
did you
gosh.
see it?
Yes.
No, I did not.
It's ill tempered too. He's trying to bite. Yeah, where are you? Oh, watch out now. Be careful. Careful.
I'm here.
He's in a strike position.
Ah, the mud's overpowering my shoes.
Okay, here we go.
All right, my young protege is going to get involved, but now, Jerry, you be careful.
Watch him there. Watch his mouth. Okay. Oh, he's a mean one. He's a mean one.
Ah,
Jim, he's bigger than I thought he was.
Yeah, I'm going to estimate him to be 8 feet. We'll take a measurement and collect some blood and other data. And but I'm convinced this is a hybrid snake.
Jim, was there any brothers or sisters in there?
Probably deeper down, but I don't want to go any further. His mom and daddy might be in there. That would be bad.
You said it was a juvenile. How large do you think the real ones can, or the adults can
Oh,
grow?
15 to 18 feet. Jerry.
Jim, do you have him?
Yes, we got him. He's slippery and muddy, but we've got him. We've got him.
Don't lose him, Jim.
No. Blood typing will tell us if he's a crossbred hybrid snake. But so we're gonna collect some blood samples and take some measurements. We're getting back up now. Here he comes. Okay. Careful there, Martha. Careful. Don't eat there, Martha. Okay.
Oh, he's beautiful.
We got him. He's there. Get my hands clean so they. I can't hold the snake. I'm so muddy. Thank you, sir. I'll, okay. He's So there he is, folks. A hybrid African rock python and a Burmese python. Also called a super snake.
He is absolutely beautiful.
Let's measure him. Jerry,
Jerry, come help us hold him. You want to hold him or measure him?
Hold.
Okay, we'll get him right here. Hold him.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and do the measurement?
You might need to hold him. I'll measure.
You got him.
Okay. Go ahead and measure him. Yeah. Marlon, you leave. I didn't mean to get so dirty. I apologize for that.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, you never know what's going to happen when Jim's with you. Pick him out.
Okay, pull.
After being in that cave, it's kind of hard to hold.
Yeah, he's slippery. Let's try like this. Okay, let's see. That's 2 feet right there.
Jim, watch out. He's by your knees.
Where is that? That's 2 more feet. That's 4 feet. So he's probably 7 foot, I would say. But isn't he gorgeous?
Well, our worst fears came true, ladies and gentlemen. They are breeding, like Jim suspected.
He is pretty, but he can't be allowed to populate and live here in Florida. This is a perfect example of a non-native species of animal. Well, Jim, I think our work here is done.
Jerry, did you enjoy this adventure today?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
We'll take him back to the laboratory and collect our samples, and it's been a successful hunt.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this episode of Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. Thank you.